Matthias, Sophie, Maras. Hector,
Should I keep
you need to take the participation one, not the appreciation. Do you have two?
Yeah.
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
Should I give you
Which handwriting do you prefer?
that? I will take both then.
So who's staying with Purab? Anyone sharing room with Purab?
Perhaps I can take it. I can take it because we are in the same hall.
Maras Jin or Maras Chief? Maras Chief.
And who knows Koilan Omar? Do you keep with us? Anyone to say? Just show her up on If anyone is sharing